Hello everyone, welcome to ProTechnoid. So before getting into the video, if you have not already subscribed to the channel, kindly please subscribe. So today the topic will be how to change audio track in KMPlayer. So there are two steps in which we can achieve this. One is through the menu inside the KMPlayer, and second option is setting shortcut key. So by default the shortcut key will not be there, we have to set it manually. So I will show that process also in this video itself. Okay, so first let's see the menu process. So I have already opened a video in KMPlayer which has multiple languages. So to access the audio stream pop-up, we need to right click on it and hover on the open menu here. So once you hover on the open menu, you will get a drop down and over on the navigators option here, and here click on audio streams. So once you click on the audio stream menu there, you will see this dialog box. So you can see all the audio streams here. You can choose whichever audio stream you want. So this is how the menu option works. Second option is shortcut key method. So I have already set a shortcut key, that is Control plus N. So I'm going to enter Control N. So for me, I can directly access the audio stream dialog box now instead of going through the menu. Okay, so I'll show you how to set the shortcut key. So to set the shortcut key for opening the audio stream dialog box, right click and over on options menu here and click on the preferences option here. So once you click on the preferences option, you will get this dialog box, and make sure in the left hand side keys slash global control is selected, and in the right hand side click the plus icon next to this open menu here, scroll down and now click the plus icon next to this navigators menu, and inside this you will see this audio stream. Click on this audio stream. So if you see here in red color, this key field is uh, active by default. So now enter your shortcut key. So I'm going to use Control N. So Control plus N is automatically assigned, and you can see this here. Now if I close this dialog box and press Control N, I will get this audio stream dialog box directly. So friends, I hope this video clears your doubts regarding the audio stream selection process and the shortcut key process. If you have any doubts, kindly please let me know in the comment section below, and please subscribe and leave a like. Thank you. See you in the next video.